Have you ever wondered why falling in love can feel so intoxicating? Well, it turns out that love is far more than just a poetic concept. It's a complex biological process. We're embarking on a journey to unravel the science of love, a journey that takes us through our brains, our emotions, and our human history. We'll delve into love's chemistry, learning about neurotransmitters like dopamine and oxytocin that influence attraction and pleasure. We'll also explore how different areas of our brains, like the reward center and prefrontal cortex, light up in the ecstasy of love. Next, we'll shift gears to the evolution of love, discussing theories about how this emotion could have developed as a survival and reproduction trait. We'll examine various facets of love, from the thrilling rush of romance to the deep ties we form with our loved ones. Besides emotions, love influences our health too. It reduces stress, boosts our well-being, and has other physical and mental health benefits. We'll look at the dynamics of lasting relationships, exploring attachment styles and how love endures over time. We'll then delve into the impact technology and social media on love in today's digital age. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of the science behind love. We've got a lot to cover, and we promise it's going to be an enlightening ride. When we fall in love, our brains go into a chemical frenzy, releasing a bunch of hormones and neurotransmitters, like a symphony playing a love melody inside our heads. This beautiful symphony is directed by dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, three significant neurotransmitters. Dopamine takes the lead, acting as the spark that sets love ablaze. It gives us that euphoric feeling when we're near someone we find attractive, providing us with pleasure and making us crave for more. Increased dopamine levels around our crush can lead to a rush of intense pleasure. Up next is oxytocin, often referred as the love or cuddle hormone. It surfaces during moments of touch and intimacy, solidifying the connection between two individuals. Oxytocin fosters trust and attachment, instilling a feeling of safety and security within a relationship. It's what makes a hug feel warm, or holding hands with your partner seem like the best thing in the world. Lastly, serotonin plays a vital role in falling in love. It's responsible for our mood, appetite, and sleep. When in love, serotonin levels decrease, making us slightly obsessed with our partner. They suddenly become the focal point of our life. The feelings of butterflies in stomach or your heart skipping a beat at the sight of your crush are not just emotional reactions. It's a coordinated chemical ballet unfolding in your brain, a dance of hormones and neurotransmitters, all working together to create the enchanting sensation we call love. So, next time your heart skips a beat when you see your crush, remember, it's all about the chemistry. Different areas of our brain play a crucial role in the experience of love. To appreciate this, we venture into neuroscience's intriguing realm. We begin with the reward center of the brain, also known as the pleasure center. This includes structures such as the ventral tegmental area and the nucleus accumbens. This area becomes a whirlwind of activity when we're in love, lighting up brightly. It's the primary producer of dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to feelings of joy and reward. Hence, our reward center is what we thank when we feel a surge of happiness upon seeing a loved one. But love isn't purely about feeling good, it's also about forming sturdy emotional connections. The prefrontal cortex helps in this. This brain part oversees higher cognitive functions like decision-making, planning, and social behavior. It assists in evaluating if a potential partner is suitable, making it a key player in love. The cortex is also involved in attachment, the profound emotional bond linking us to our partners. When we're attached, our brains release oxytocin, commonly referred to as the love hormone. This hormone intensifies connection feelings and fosters trust and empathy, crucial for a healthy relationship. However, the prefrontal cortex also plays a role when love goes awry. This area becomes less active when we face rejection or breakup, causing feelings of loss and sadness. Thankfully, this activity reduction is often temporary, and as the wounds heal, the prefrontal cortex resumes its regular function. In conclusion, love is a sophisticated dance involving various brain regions, each contributing to the medley of emotions we relate to this profound event. From pleasure's rush and reward, to the deep emotional bond and the heartache of loss, our brains stage it all. Our brains, it seems, are well equipped for love. And as we continue to decipher the mind's mysteries, who knows what other enthralling insights we might uncover about this potent emotion. Evolutionary theories propose that love evolved as a trait for human survival and reproduction. This brings forth the captivating idea of love contributing to human evolution. Attachment theory asserts that love is a biological system to ensure species survival. Humans, born helpless and dependent, require years of care to mature. This may have led to the evolution of love to foster strong bonds between caregivers and offspring, enhancing a child's survival chances. However, love's role extends beyond parent-child bonds to romantic relationships. The pair bonding theory posits that love promotes long-term human partnerships. These partnerships offer a stable base for raising offspring, thus facilitating survival and gene transmission. Human beings are social creatures. Love's evolutionary function might also include fostering social cooperation and cohesion. The bonding and empathetic aspects of love could have evolved to promote trust, cooperation, and group unity, hence increasing survival rates. Additionally, the reproductive benefits of love cannot be. The intense attraction experienced in early stages of romantic love has an evolutionary purpose: to bring potential mates together. The deep attachment and bonding that develops over time helps maintain partnerships, contributing yet again to the survival of species. From an evolutionary perspective, love is more than a sweet sentiment. It's a force that has played a critical role in human survival, reproduction, and social cooperation. Love, it is in our DNA. Love isn't one size fits all. We experience various forms of this emotion, each unique in its own way. Let's start with romantic love, the one often depicted in books, films, and songs. It's passion and intimacy combined, a mix of yearning and comfort. Next, we have platonic love, the bond between friends. It lacks romantic passion, yet it's no less important or intense. It's about shared experiences, mutual support, and knowing someone's got your back, just as you have theirs. Then, there's familial love, a blend of deep affection, loyalty, and unconditional love. It's the connection between family, the shared history, and stories that hold you together. Outside of these, there's the love for our pets, our hobbies, and favorite places. Love is diverse and limitless. Moreover, love isn't static, it evolves and grows. The passionate love may evolve into a deep comfort over time. Friendships may blossom into love. Familial love may with shared experiences. Each form of love has its own beauty and challenges. It can bring joy, comfort, and of belonging. It can teach us about ourselves, others, and the world. Forms of love reflect our needs, desires, hopes, and fears. They shape our lives and relationships. Love, in all its forms, enriches our lives. It reminds us of our shared humanity, our capacity for empathy, and our ability to connect emotionally. It's a universal language, a vital part of the human experience, something truly worth celebrating. Did you know that being in love can actually improve your health? Yes, it's not only dreamy romance novels and heartwarming flicks that are enamored with the concept of love. Science has also joined the bandwagon. It has unearthed some remarkable ways in which love influences our health and wellness. First off, love is a powerful antidote to stress. When we're smitten, our bodies secrete hormones like oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. This wonderful chemical has been proven to decrease stress and lower blood pressure, thereby countering the effects of daily strain. Love's benefits aren't limited to stress reduction. It seems to shield our hearts in a literal sense. Research indicates that people in committed relationships or marriages often have lesser risk of heart diseases. A supportive, loving relationship encourages heart health, making love a practical heart warmer. Another crucial aspect to consider is love's effect on mental health. Love boosts self-confidence, instills a sense of purpose, and brings happiness. It's therefore not surprising that those in loving relationships express higher life satisfaction and fewer instances of depression. However, it's not only romantic love that offers these health perks. The love shared with family, friends, and pets also contributes considerably to our well-being. These affectionate relationships instill a sense of security and foster resilience, helping us tackle life's ups and downs. On an intriguing note, love might even prolong our lives. Some studies suggest that people in loving relationships tend to live longer. While the reasons aren't fully understood, it's likely due to the amalgamation of physical and mental health advantages provided by love. Therefore, the next time you're brimming with love, remember, it's not just making you feel good, but is also beneficial for your health. Love is not just good for the soul, but for the body too. The dynamics of long-term relationships and the science of sustaining love over time are fascinating. Delving into this realm isn't just about the initial spark, but about the steady flame that lasts for years. Integral to this is the attachment theory by psychologists John Bowlby and Mary Ainsworth. This suggests early experiences with caregivers shape our adult relationships. There are 3 types of attachment styles: secure, anxious, and avoidant. Secure individuals form healthy, enduring relationships. They're fine with intimacy and don't fear solitude. Anxious types crave connection, but fear their partner isn't truly committed, needing constant reassurance. Avoidant types value independence and maintain emotional distance from their partners. Comprehending these styles can provide insights into why some relationships last and others don't. Sustaining love also involves relationship maintenance, the activities partners undertake to stay together. It encompasses communication, conflict resolution, and expressing affection. Research shows couples who participate in positive relationship maintenance behaviors are more likely to be satisfied and have long-lasting relationships. For instance, expressing gratitude regularly fosters positivity and promotes a sense of security. The brain plays a role too. Over time, intense passion may wane, but a deep sense of affection and bond replaces it. This transition is associated with a switch from activation in the brain's reward system to regions associated with bonding. Sustaining love is an art, and science has a lot to say about it. So, when you think about love, know it's a combination of psychology, biology, and behaviors. Technology and social media have drastically reshaped the way we express love. Now, a simple swipe can ignite a life-changing relationship. We've transitioned from handwritten notes to instant messages filled with emojis and GIFs, encapsulating our emotions. Digital platforms have extended our reach, enabling us to connect with people we might never have met otherwise. Love is no longer restricted by geography, making the globe a more accessible, albeit complicated, place to find your soulmate. Digitalization has also introduced new hurdles. We now struggle with problems such as misinterpretations in digital communication, frauds in online dating, and the paradox of choice. This new era, however, hasn't altered our fundamental human longing for affection. Despite these hurdles, a universal truth persists: our inherent human need to love and be loved. In the digital age, love continues to connect hearts worldwide. As we've seen, love is a blend of chemistry, brain function, evolution, and personal experiences. An intricate dance involving neurotransmitters, brain areas, evolutionary instincts, and various forms, all contributing to our happiness. Love's influence extends beyond our hearts, impacting our health and relationships. Even in this digital era, love is evolving. So the next time you feel love stirring, remember, it's more complex than it appears. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the science of love. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing videos.